Well, happy November. This is Jason at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to talk about a fantastic program that Mazda offers. It's our certified pre-owned line. With a certified pre-owned Mazda, you are going to get a vehicle that is almost like new. What I mean by like new, most certified vehicles have come off of the lease program, meaning a customer leased the car anywhere between 1 to 3 years. They trade the car back in, we take the car. Then the vehicle goes through a slew of different inspections to make sure that it is a certified level vehicle. First and foremost, under Wisconsin law, any used vehicle that we bring in, we must do a 160-point safety inspection. With that 160-point safety inspection, we're checking the brakes, we're checking the frame, we're checking the electrical, we're checking all the safety of the vehicle. Then, after that is done, the Mazda then goes through a 185-point safety inspection. And it can only be performed by a Mazda certified technician. The vehicle is checked from bumper to bumper. The computer is updated, the tires are updated, the brakes are updated. The vehicle is checked for a accident history report to ensure that the vehicle is up to par. When you purchase a certified pre-owned vehicle, this vehicle is going to have a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That powertrain warranty covers the engine, the transmission, front and rear axle. Then the certified pre-owned Mazda will also have a 48,000-mile, 48-month bumper-to-bumper electrical warranty. That warranty is just as it sounds. It's bumper to bumper. Covers virtually everything, especially the electric, which is important. If that seat stops working, it's covered. If the screen goes out, it's covered. The best part about a certified pre-owned vehicle, it's not a Russ Darrow warranty. This is a Mazda warranty, which means no matter where you go on the road, no matter which state you travel to, this vehicle is completely covered by Mazda. When you purchase a certified pre-owned vehicle, you're going to get some of the benefits as well. You're going to get roadside assistance, which is absolutely fantastic. We all are going to be in a situation where you're going to run out of gas. Mazda is going to send somebody to get you taken care of. So once again, if you don't want new, but you want like new, a certified pre-owned Mazda is the way to go. Come see us here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street. My name's Jason. I'll look for you on the lot.